Hey guys, welcome to the second review video. Today I'm going to unbox the Qatar A350-1000. So here's some information about Qatar and Airbus and about the A350-1000 obviously. You can pause the video and read it if you want. And I will zoom into these specifications. You can also pause it right now. So here's the Qatar in the box. So I will unbox it right now. So here we have the Qatar A350-1000 out of the box. The first looks are amazing. It's very detailed, very detailed. As we know, GeminiJets is also very detailed. It's always very detailed, sorry. Starting with the cockpit, you can see the sunglasses on the cockpit windows. It's very nice. Also you can see some antennas on the rooftop and the One World logo right beside the front door. You can see the Qatar logo. Moving on to the middle part of the wings, you can see the two Qatar engines. It's Rolls-Royce Trent. So as you can see, the wings are also detailed with the lines where you can walk when it's an emergency landing, with the winglets or sharklets. So here you can see the main landing gear. The main landing gear consists of 12 wheels, plus the two front wheels is 14 wheels. The registration A7-ANA and the GeminiJet logo. Antennas and the registration, and to the tail we have the normal Qatar tail. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. If you have any questions about this model or other models, you can leave your questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.